To connect your DJI Mic Mini to your Android phone via a receiver is fairly simple. You're going to start by removing your transmitter from your phone, from the case, as well as the microphone or microphone that you need. You can also remove the last item, which should be the transmitter that you're going to use. Now from here, you want to ensure that the mics are connected to the transmitter. So go ahead and put all of these items in pairing mode and wait for them to automatically connect to each other. You'll notice that in pairing mode, when these two indicator lights are all steadily green. So from here, you're then going to go ahead and go to the bottom of your receiver, your transmitter, and you're going to remove this latch. When you remove it, you should see these pinholes there. So you're going to use the transmitter and you're going to just insert it into the receiver like so. And you should be able to see the way you're going to insert it because you have a red arrow telling you how you're going to push it in. So go ahead and just push it in like that. Then once it's been successfully connected, you're going to insert it into your phone. When this indicator light stops blinking and stays a steady green, it means it's been successfully connected and detected. So now you can use your DJI Mini Mic wireless microphones with your Android phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.